Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to blur video in CapCut. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on CapCut app. Just wait few seconds.
Order food you love with Foodpanda. Download the app and order now.
So add and continue app. Click on edit. Tap on new project. Then add your videos. Okay. Tap on effects. Then video effects. Search for blur. Okay. Then blur, add blur. Okay. Then this video is blur. Then fresh and blur. Then click on export. Just
order
wait
food
few
you love with
seconds.
Foodpanda. Download the app and order now.
Just wait. This app is not paid, and just wait few seconds and add show. Just wait 30 seconds. Okay. Wait few seconds. Then blur video in CapCut. Okay. Then tap on cross and export your videos. Then done. Then check this video. Click on photos. Then select this video. Then blur, your video is blur, then clear. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.